Anyways, guys, what is up? It is. This girl's autistic. Hello, guys. It is and Tata. So we just tried going to a job fair. The line was like, for example, this is us, right? Really small. The line was for like this fucking long.
More than that.
Yeah, more than the fucking like that.
It's cold outside.
It's like really cold outside.
And we don't even have resumes or anything, so
yeah,
I don't know why
so we were just going there for no reason. Because my friend Ocean was there. Oh, Wonder Rage. No, because you know, like, for example, if like the world ends up, apocalypse, right? No, it's not. It's insane. Let's fuck up. I'm saying, like, what if they just shelter us outside and be here forever? They didn't have the first one, no, yes. They're already sheltered, and they have like probably like.
They don't have shelter. They're homeless.
Oh, yeah, so they're gonna punch you. What if I'm pooping? Hello.
I look so white.
Cause you are.
Sure. We're gonna be eating weird foods.
Yeah.
Because it's fucking funny.
And mixing combinations of condiments. Okay, we should do yogurt.
Okay, yogurt.
With soy sauce, oh god.
Oh, that's what
do
nasty.
this.
I just realized the first time I'm eating today.
Fuck me too, bro.
Ew, that cheese is so gross.
So the whole point. We're gonna like put like whatever it is.
Ew.
We're gonna like do like a little montage of the stuff we're putting in our bowls.
Actually gonna throw. This is gonna be so gross. Bowls? What do you get?
So first of all, I got soy sauce. Oh, I can barely sneeze. Got soy.
Where? Oh, why is it down there?
Anyways, Busha, you're sure you can get it there. Anyways, this is. Oh, you're stupid. Soy sauce.
I think you know what soy sauce is.
American cheese.
That cheese is so gross. So ew.
And we got, here you go.
Cherry tomatoes.
Cherry tomatoes. Active yogurt. Okay. So we gotta put a little bit
This is
of.
my bowl.
This is my bowl. I want the red bowl. Give me the fucking red
I
bowl.
want red.
Bitch! A little bit of American cherries. Ready?
Do you like it? No, I hate it. That's so gross.
Ready?
Ew! Oh my god.
It's the same amount of milk.
No, it's not.
Bob, pull a little bit more, you cranky bitch. Ready? Oh, but stay. This is bad.
And then we have.
Here, put the onions. Put the rest of them in mine.
This is so. It smells so bad.
I'm actually good. That looks like super.
Give it.
That's squirt.
Ew. Look at Wait.
Okay, guys, this is mine. See, so happy, so
closer.
Get this shit ready. Anyways, guys, we're done mixing it, so. Oh god, I genuinely almost threw up. This is how come the poubelle. Let's see, I'm going to top it off with
Lemon juice.
Make it sour.
It smells like garbage. So much. I'm sitting down while eating this because I'm gonna fucking shit my pants. She's getting a garbage bag because she just gagged so bad. And she didn't even eat it. What the fuck? The whole garbage can?
Yeah, I'm putting the whole garbage can.
Okay, the whole garbage can.
If we need to throw up, like, actually throw me here. Don't throw me on the table, please.
How are we gonna eat with forks though? No, wait, how do you eat with forks?
Just scoop it up.
I'm not fucking doing
You
this.
have to do it. Okay, ready?
No.
3.
No, I still have to mix it. I'm not done mixing mine. It's fucking garbage that's right here.
Guys, it's okay. It's
I
okay.
just threw some in my mouth. Look at that shit. It's so gross.
It looks like poo-poo.
It looks like vomit.
It's so sad.
That's okay,
Ready?
I can't eat it because it's so liquidy. Can we at least get spoons?
Spoons. Okay, my stomach actually feels so bad right now.
Oh my god, I don't want
to. Okay, what's in it again?
Okay.
Yogurt.
No, I'll list the ingredients. So there's yogurt. I think it's strawberry yogurt.
Yeah.
Okay, strawberry yogurt, lemon juice, soy sauce, milk,
Onions.
onion, American cheese, cherry tomato. I think
Yeah, that's it.
I'm not ready. Let me prepare. Like,
Big spoon.
I'm smushing more. I told you. Okay.
Oh, mine's literally just a fucking consistency of like. Okay, 3?
Okay, no. More than 3 seconds.
Okay,
Okay.
5.
No.
10. 9.
No, that makes it worse.
Like someone really feels sick right now.
Oh, cheese.
Yeah.
Oh,
I'm not- Oh, my tummy hurts so bad. Okay, that's fucking nasty. Anyways, guys, so that it tasted like
it's stuck in my throat.
it tasted like barf. Look, she swallowed it. I don't know why the fuck you swallowed it. Anyways, so we gotta explain. How was that? How was that like for you? Okay, I think we understand. It's okay. For me, it's kind of fun, Loki. I would eat it again, but no, I would not.
You spat in yours.
I know, I got fucking disgusted. Don't. Oh my god.
Wow. What?
You went.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
I'm gonna go wash my mouth now.
Yeah, the Loki's saying.
Yeah. Okay, love you guys. Don't forget to smile.